Mathematics is fun. In this video, you will learn how to find the value of x and at the same time y in this crazy exponential equation. Of course, I say it is a crazy one indeed because you're going to see how we're going to manipulate this expression in order to find the value of x and y. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Also remember to subscribe to my channel for more simplified mathematics solution. So the question is, how do we solve this? Now pause this video a little and ask yourself, how can I solve this question? Now the first thing I want you to think of doing is to look at how you can substitute a value for the value of either y or x. And if you do that, then we'll start making a headway to solving this question. Now, to substitute a value, I want us to let the value of y, let y be the value, and let it be the value, let y be equal to m multiplied by x. Now, why do we say y should be equal to m multiplied by x? So that wherever we see y, we replace it with what? M multiplied by x. So this expression will now give us x to the power of m multiplied by x, and this will be equal to m multiplied by x to the power of what? Multiplied by the power of x. Good. Now, having seen that, the next thing we will now want to do is to look at how we can multiply both sides by the power of half. If we multiply both sides by the reciprocal of 2, we're going to have x to the power of mx, right, multiplied by 1 divided by 2, and this will be equal to, we're going to use this mx all to the power of x, and all of these will be multiplied by 1 to the power of 2. Great. Now, how do we play along with this? We are going to see, according to the law of indices, that if you have a to the power of x multiplying an exponent y, this can be equal to a to the power of x what? Y, because the two exponents will multiply. So if we apply it there, we're going to have that expression to now give us x multiplied by m multiplied by x multiplied by 1 divided by 2, that is x to the power of this, and this will be equal to mx multiplied by x multiplied by 1 divided by 2. Great. So that expression will now automatically give us x to the power of mx divided by 2, and this will be equal to mx multiplied by the power of x divided by 2. Now, to make them have same power, we are going to look at this side to be x to the power of m, and it will be multiplied by x divided by 2. We didn't change anything, and this will be equal to mx multiplied by x divided by 2. Now look at that expression very well. According to the law of indices, if I have a to the power of x and it's equal to b to the power of x, they have same base, a can still be equal to b. They have same exponent. So since they have same exponent, we can simply say that expression will now be what? X to the power of m to be equal to m what? Mx. Great. Now, having arrived at this point, what do we do next? Now, whatever we do next is to see how we clear x from the right hand side. So if we divide both sides by x, we are going to clear x from the right hand side. So x will clear x, and then we'll have x to the power of m divided by x to be equal to m. Now recall a law of indices. In that law of indices, if you have a to the power of x divided by a to the power of y, this can simply give us a to the power of x minus y. So if we apply it to the right hand side, we'll have our x to the power of m minus 1, right? Because x, this is x to the power of 1, and this is equal to m. Recall, we are asked to find the value of x and y. So to find the value of x, we must see the need of isolating x here. And to isolate x in the left hand side, we need to multiply both sides by the exponent of the reciprocal of m minus 1. So we'll multiply both sides by 1 divided by m minus 1. So we'll do that. We'll have our x to the power of m minus 1, right? And all these will be what? Will have to be multiplied by 1 divided by m minus 1. And the same thing will be done to the left hand side. This will be equal to m multiple to the power of what? 1 divided by m minus 1. Great. Now, having done that, according to the law of indices, this will give us x to the power of m minus 1 multiplied by 1 divided by m minus 1. And you see that this will simply clear this, and this will be equal to m to the power of 1 divided by m minus 1. And the value of x finally will be equal to m to the power of 1 divided by m minus 1, and that is that. So you see, we've gotten the value for x, and the value of x is equal to m to the power of 1 divided by m minus 1. Now recall from the original expression that we said earlier on that the value of y is equal to mx. So let's bring down that expression and then find the value of our y from that expression. We said the value of our y is equal to mx. So since I've gotten the value of x, I can simplify my y. My y will be equal to m multiplied by m to the power of 1 divided by m minus 1, right? Now recall the law of indices. If you have a to the power of x, because we have m to the power of 1, multiplying a to the power of y, this can simply be a to the power of x plus y, because the exponents will multiply. So if we apply it here, you're going to see that the value of y will now be equal to m to the power of 1 plus 1 divided by m minus 1, right? So if you simplify the power, what you're simply going to have is y will be equal to, we'll have a 1 plus 1 divided by m minus 1. So what would that give us? That will give us m minus 1, and this will be m minus 1, right, plus 1, and this is going to give us what? M divided by m minus 1. So bring that here. This is going to give us a capital M to the power of m divided by m minus 1. So you see that this is the value for y that satisfies that expression. So the two values for this solution is the value of y. And what is the value of y? The value of y is equal to x is equal to m to the power of 1 divided by m minus 1, and our y is equal to m to the power of m divided by m minus 1. And these are the two solutions for x and what? Y, x and y given requested for us to do what? To find from the question. So you see that this is truly a crazy exponential equation, and I know you did enjoy watching it. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Also, share this video with friends and colleagues, and remember to subscribe to my channel for more simplified mathematics solutions. Thanks so much for watching, and bye bye for now.